Hey Giordano, thank you for talking to me on the phone the other day. I do know that you mentioned that you was pretty set and pegged where you are. You have about a couple employees and you got a lot of business and those things and such. So we decided that I still shoot the video for you. So in the future, I just want you to take this video and use it as a reference, right? And you can utilize the tips I'm going to give you today and the things that I'm going to point out that you should probably correct or fortify on your website. And these things that I'm going to show you today is going to do wonders. All right, so I'm going to keep it sweet and straight to the point. I'm going to keep it a little short. So what we're going to talk about today is content, backlinks, and citations. So the first thing that you want to do, brother, is that when you come into the site, you want to fix this, right? Because this will be a hindrance from people coming to your site when they're looking to buy, right? So, what we're going to talk about is content, backlinks, and citations. So content is basically anything that you will see on your website as far as text, right? Images, if you have any images on this site, what these images are saved as, right? You see as it says that CLU, it should be saved as a keyword that someone is searching for services like yours. And if you have any videos and what those videos are saved as. So, and from a design point of view, I think you guys have a beautiful site. I wouldn't change too much about it. My only suggestion is that you just might add a little bit more content. Google wants to see about 1,500 words of content on your front page. So if you put you guys into this word counter, we see that you guys have 212 words. So what you want to do is just add more content to this home page and make sure you're implementing buyer intent keywords, right? Because buyer intent, an example of a buyer intent keyword is someone was to type in commercial construction, Kearny, New Jersey. So obviously someone typing this kind of keyword into Google is looking for a company such as yours. And you want your company to come up in these first positions so you can get that call, right? So, and these keywords really make the big difference of a potential customer finding your website. So, and they can be searched in different variations. Like they're just different variations of phrases of people searching for services like yours. So this is a software I use called Ahrefs. It gives me the complete backend of a company's website. It shows me what you guys are ranking for. In other words, we can see how you and your competitors are ranking in the search engine results. And this is one of your competitors here because they come up at the top when we type in this keyword here, commercial construction, Kearny, New Jersey. These guys are coming up here right at the top. So obviously being in one of these positions here is bringing a lot of traffic. This position here is alone is responsible for 44% of traffic that comes to your website. So what we want to do is that, the second thing that we want to talk about is backlinks. So if we put these guys into the word counter, we first going to see that these guys have about, 596 words on their homepage. What you want to do is that you want to get and beat them out, right? They're not considered authority. To be considered authority, you want to be at least 1,500 words of content so Google can basically rank your website. Usually we found that the websites with the most content wins, right? And if we put these guys into our software here, we see that these guys are using a bit of keywords. They're getting a little bit search traffic to the website. This system tends to underpopulate by 5. So imagine that these guys are getting about at least 40 searches to the website per month. They're not doing as well. They're not doing, too well, but you can come in here and beat these guys out and not just capture percentage of this. You can capture all of this traffic and more if you do these things right? So we spoke about content. You want to put that content on your front page and you want to be implementing keywords. Second thing is you want to be adding backlinks. So backlinks are basically referring domains or other high-powered websites that are relevant to your industry that passes it power. You can think of backlinks as a popularity contest where the website with the most backlink wins. So the key to that is that you just want to make sure they're more relevant and they're more high-powered than the competitors, right? So the last thing that we want to talk about here is citations. So citations are basically other web directories that allow your business to get listed on your website, your name, address, business, phone number. And what this creates for you is a lot of credibility within Google. The more citations you have, the better. And if a competitor is at 100 citations, you want to be at 200. There are literally thousands of citations out there, such as Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Angie's List, Facebook, Home Advisor. There are literally thousands of them. So if your competitor is at 100 or 150, you want to be at 200, 250 citations to beat them out, right? And that's how that will work. So software I use to go get these citations is a software called whitespark.ca, and basically competitor analysis. We get and beat these guys out, see what you have and what they don't have, and we capitalize on that. So the first step that we spoke about was content, backlink, citation. So remember, you want to at least put 1,500 words of content on your front page here to be considered authority. You want to be implementing buyer intent keywords such as this one: commercial construction, Kearny, New Jersey. This is a buy intent keyword. Obviously, someone is looking for a service to buy. Commercial construction, Kearny, New Jersey. So, in this term right here, this one, let's see, commercial construction, right? So, if you use this on your website, even commercial construction, this is going to tell us like this kind of keyword. This one alone gets 4,400 searches per month. So imagine if you kind of use this in with a different variation with the city that you're working in, and ranked it on your site. It will really work really well for you. So the last thing you want to talk about is the citations, and you want to use those citations to basically power up your Google business profile. Remember, there's a lot of business that comes for being here as well, and this is going to really help you guys out. So I hope you're able to take this information today and use it for yourself. And it's going to really make a big difference once you start to implement it. Remember, you want to secure the site. Don't give, make it very easy for your customers to come in here and buy, right? The last two tips is that you want to have a click to call. So when people come to your site, they can just click and call you guys. You want to have a form submit so people could actually submit a form here on you guys' website requesting the service. Once you implement the 3 tips that I gave you today, content, backlinks, and citations, you're guaranteed to start seeing a lot of more traction within your business. I hope you found this information useful, brother. If you have any questions or concerns, you can definitely reach out. And if you need someone to do this for me, you can also actually request for me to do this for you. You can definitely take this information and use it for yourself, and it's very easy to do. I hope you found this information useful. Take care.